Now you have a few basic skills under your belt. Let's use them to create a simple 3D model of a chair and a table. So we will start by creating a polygon cube, then scaling it up into a table-like shape. Notice how we use the handle here to scale up and down or left or right. Next, we will make the legs of the table starting with the cylinder. Then use a combination of the scale and the move tools to get it into a plane. Then we will duplicate it from the edit box, and shortcut to duplicate any object or polygon is the Ctrl+D key on the keyboard. Now we will go to the panel layout, and the shortcut for the panel layout is the spacebar key. Now open front view Z-axis and adjust the object. Again, coming to the perspective view, we'll duplicate front legs with the Ctrl+D key and we'll view the model in the side view X-axis and adjust the legs according to the table. Now again, viewing the model in the perspective view and adjust it to the center. Now creating the plane under the model for providing the surface. Now we will start creating chair by duplicating cube from the table, and we'll scale it according to the seat. Now again duplicating legs of the table to create the legs of the chair and scaling it according to the seat of the chair. We will duplicate the cube to create the back of the chair. And yes, here is your simplest 3D model of a chair and a table. Hope you liked the video. See you in the next one.